For exercise 1.6, question number 4, fx equal to 8 minus square root x minus 3 for x greater than equal to 3. Find an expression for f inverse. So to find f inverse, so we must use this, okay, for my method lah, okay, the way I teach my student. I will ask them to write this. Let fy equal to x, then f inverse x equal to what? Fy is what? Is 8 minus square root y minus 3 equal to x. Okay, so this one is we have the fy, then we substitute y here. Okay, so now we want to write y as a subject. So what I do here is I move this. So we have the 8 minus x equal to square root y minus 3. So next we will square both sides. Okay, or you move square to the other side will become square root, move to the other side will become square root. The square root becomes square becomes square root. So y minus 3 equal to 8 minus x squared. So we have the y equal to 8 minus x squared plus 3. Therefore, f inverse of x is y. Y is this. That is the 8 minus x squared plus 3. Okay. So we can have a look at the uh, desmos. Okay. So this one. Okay. So this one. We have this. Okay. We have this one. And then this we have this. So we have the 8 minus square root x minus 3, okay, for x greater than or equal to 3. Then the f inverse that we have is 8 minus x squared plus 3. Okay, so this one we have the range is less than or equal to 8. So this one will be less than or equal to 8. Okay, then we have the y equal to x here, 8 minus square root x minus 3. Then this is x minus x squared plus 3. This is plus 3, not this one. So you can have a look here. So you can see that it is reflected in the line y equal to x here. Okay, so it is reflected in the line y equal to x. Okay, so for this one, okay, you can see that the domain of f is x greater than or equal to 3. So the range of f will be fx is less than, this one is 3, 8, less than or equal to 8. So we know that the of domain of f inverse will become same with the range of f. Okay, therefore it is x less than or equal to 8. And we have the range of f is equal to domain of f. So the fx is greater than or equal to 3. So this one is 8, 3. So this is f inverse. For question number 5, they want us to find f inverse and g inverse. So let fy equal to x, then f inverse of x equal to y. So 5y minus 3 equal to x, 5y equal to x plus 3, y equal to x plus 3 over 5. So f inverse of x will become x plus 3 over 5. So let gy equal to x, then g inverse of x equal to y. So 7 over 2 minus y equal to x, 7 equal to x 2 minus y. 7 equal to 2x minus xy. So xy equal to 2x minus 7. So the y is 2x minus 7 over x. So the G inverse of x is equal to 2x minus 7 over x, with the condition that x cannot be 0 because the denominator cannot be 0. Question number 6. Fx equal to x plus 2 square minus 5, x greater than negative 2. Find the expression for f inverse. So let fy equal to x, then f inverse of x equal to y. So we have the y plus 2 square minus 5 equal to x, y plus 2 square equal to x plus 5, y plus 2 is plus minus greater x plus 5. Because we have greater here, then we take the positive. So we have the y equal to square root x plus 5 minus 2. So therefore, the f inverse of x equal to square root of x plus 5 minus 2. Okay. B, f inverse of x equal to 3. Then we have the square root of x plus 5 minus 2 equal to 3. This one we have two methods to solve it. So for method number 1, we follow the question. Then we have the square root x plus 5 equal to 5. Then we have the x plus 5 is equal to 5 square. So we have the x equal to 25 minus 5, x equal to 20. So the answer is x equal to 20. Okay. But this question, we have another method to solve this question. Okay. This is something more powerful. Okay. If you are strong in your concept, okay, we know that the x will be f of 3. The f inverse will move to the other side, will be f. Okay, so f of 3 is, we just substitute 3 here. Okay, then it will become 3 plus 2 square minus 5. So 5 square 25 minus 5, that is 20. So the answer is 20. Okay, compared to solve it using this way, the second method will be easier. Question number 7. Find f inverse. So let f y equal to x, then f inverse of x equal to y. So y minus 4 square plus 5 equal to x, y minus 4 square equal to x minus 5, y minus 4 equal to square root of x minus 5. So plus only because this one. Okay, so y equal to square root of x minus 5 plus 4. So for A, the f inverse of x will become square root x minus 5 plus 4. Okay, and then B, they want to find f inverse x equal to f0. So f of 0 is equal to 0 minus 4 square plus 5, 16 plus 5, 21. So we have the f inverse of x equal to f0, then that means this is equal to 21. Then what we have here is x equal to f of 21. This f inverse move to the other side will become f of 21. So it will become 21 minus 4 squared plus 5. So 21 minus 4 is 17. Okay, so we have the 289 plus 5, then it's 294. Okay, you can check with your calculator lah. 21 minus 4 square and then plus 5, then it's 294. Okay, so for question number 8, it is little bit complicated compared to the previous one, because when we want to write the y as a subject, it will involve something little bit complicated compared to the previous one. So let gy equal to x, then g inverse x equal to 1. Okay, so we have the 2y plus 3 over y minus 1 equal to x. And now we want to write y as a subject. So we have the 2y plus 3 equal to x times y minus 1. So we multiply this inside. Then we have the 2y plus 3 equal to xy minus x. Okay, so we want to move y to one side and then move x to the other side. So for this one, okay, I will prefer to move the y to uh, the behind here, okay, to the right hand side here. Okay, we move the y to the right hand side. Okay, some of the students they will move y to the left hand side, but I don't do that. Why? Because we have the 3 plus x equal to xy minus 2y. Then we have the y x minus 2, 3 plus x. So y is the 3 plus x over x minus 2. Okay, but if you do it this way, okay, not recommend. Okay, so we have the 2y minus xy equal to minus x minus 3. Okay, so at here we have four terms, three negative value. I don't like. Okay, so for me it is you have too many negative here. If we don't want, okay, if we have three terms, two negative value, also we don't want. Okay, because if you want to do it until this one, it will little bit difficult. So what we will do is you have the y here, 2 minus x negative x minus 3. So y equal to negative x minus 3 over 2 minus x. Then you have to multiply negative 1 for the denominator and the numerator here. So we have the x plus 3 equal to 2 minus x minus x 2 plus x minus 2. So it will be complicated compared to this one. Okay, so I don't recommend this one. So don't do this way. Don't do it this way. Okay. So this one, the g inverse of x will become 3 plus x over x minus 2. So with the condition that x minus 2 not equal to 0, the denominator part have x, you must state that it cannot be what number. So x cannot become 2. Okay. Next, the question want to find g inverse of x equal to 5. Okay, and then this is the question. So if I come out the question, I will ask the student to find g inverse 5. Then they substitute the 5 into the g inverse that they get. Then it's better lah. But over here, it will become x equal to g5. So we have the g inverse x equal to 5. Then x equal to g5. Then we have the 2 5 plus 3 over 5 minus 1, 13 over 4. Okay, 13 over 4 is actually 3.25. Okay, we also can have the g inverse x equal to 5. This one, they have this one, g inverse x equal to 5. Then we have the 3 plus x over x minus 2 equal to 5. 3 plus x equal to 5 times x minus 2. Then 3 plus x equal to 5x minus 10. Then we have the 4x equal to 13, x equal to 13 over 4, 3.25. Okay, but I don't like this way. I like this way. Okay, so this one also, I like this way. Okay.